Hello my lovelies, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming to you today with an ultimate kitchen clean with me. If you guys want to fast forward to the refrigerator cleaning part, just go ahead and go to 3 minutes and 43 seconds mark. This is what I want to tackle. As you can see, this is a hot mess, guys. It is so bad. I haven't touched it in quite a while. So before I do that, I want to definitely go ahead and tackle this mess. I hate trying to clean in a dirty area, so I will do a quick cleaning and tidying up of the area, and then I will be going back to the refrigerator. So stay tuned. As you can see, I am wiping down the sink very thoroughly. I'm just using plain old dish soap from Palmolive, making sure everything is nice and clean. All the bits are gone and all the grease is gone. I will be using the sink for the refrigerator. Once I take out all the shelves and all the drawers, I want to make sure that I have a clean area to wipe those things down. And of course, always somebody comes with a dirty dish. That I can see my reflection in the granite behind me, so I just wanted to take a quick dance break and laugh a little bit with you guys. Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no. Fridge, I noticed there's a lot of empty containers, there is a lot of garbage, and there's a lot of sauces that just have a wee tiny bit left, and we're always telling ourselves we're going to use it and we never do. So this time around I just decided to go ahead and toss it, and if I haven't used it this long, I'm definitely not going to use it. So I'm just preparing everything, so when we go grocery shopping, everything will be nice and tidy to quickly come in and organize the fridge. I can't believe what a hot mess this refrigerator has become. It is full of tidbits, food smears, and nobody knows what else is in here. when I go to wipe this down, I'm going to be using Purell. And the reason why I like Purell, because it is a disinfectant and it has basically no odor to it. There's no fragrances or anything like that. I like to keep products with no odor inside the fridge just because your food will pick up the smells of any fragrances that you use. And I don't know about you, but if you ever tasted a piece of bread or something of the sort with a, you know, and it tasted like perfume, you know, that's not cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything down. I did spray the Purell and let it sit for just a couple minutes so it can do its job while I was cleaning out the shelves.
Yeah, no, no,
I like to lift the glass up and make sure I wipe everything out from underneath. I was going to just wipe down the drawers on the inside, but decided they were way too bad and I had to take them out and just give them a good washing. And I'm so glad that I did. It was really bad down there. I don't even know how things fall underneath, but it does. So go ahead and wipe down all of the tidbits and food and whatever it is that you find down there. And believe me guys, it is bad. I can't believe there's so much stuff underneath the cabinets. And everything is done. I am so happy the way that everything came out. The fridge really needed a good thorough cleaning. It's been a while, and just with a little bit of elbow grease, you get the job done. This is my fridge at the end. It is completely bare, almost. So it's time to go shopping, but I just wanted to show you really quick. And here is what I have of butter, some baking chocolate and cream cheese. I keep my cooking condiments here, my breakfast items here, and then this small drawer I keep for open jars of things that we have not finished. And I will show you how I organize these shelves. One quick tip that I would like to show and share is when I'm done cleaning the drawers, I like to place some paper, just regular paper towel down in the bottom, just in case anything goes bad or anything leaks or loses water. the towel paper will absorb it and keep it clean a lot longer. So this is what we have right now, and this is our meat drawers. Again, we have some ham, some bacon that we need to use, and this is what we need to use first, guys. So I have that up front, and I'll also put my ham and cheese in there as well. Up here I keep my yeast and my nuts here. I like to refrigerate my nuts. They say they go bad if they're not refrigerated. So these are my sugars, my excess sugars. I don't like to keep it out so that there's no ants or roaches in the kitchen. These are my condiments. I got rid of everything that just had a little bit left in it that I kept telling myself I'm going to use and I didn't use, so I just got rid of those. And here is some of my herbal medicines, my chia seeds, and my peanut butter and jelly. Alright, so next time I come back, I'm going to have the refrigerator fully stocked. We are on the way to go grocery shopping.
Hi, lovelies! My sandwich.
It is just so cute seeing them so happy when there's food in the refrigerator. Teenagers are so funny. I'm just really quickly showing you guys all the items together. I like to group things in categories. So, you know, one drawer is for the fruits, one drawer is for the root vegetables, and then the meat and cheeses. I have to make sure that he's putting them back in the proper place. And right here I'm showing you my island. I got so inspired, and since I had to put away other items, I just decided to go ahead and give it a quick cleaning and vacuuming. I'm taking out some pans where I'm going to relocate them into my garage. I have a section that I did. I'll show you guys that in another video. I'm just going ahead and vacuuming everything up. Just like the fridge, you can see a lot of little crumbs and little things that tend to fall. So just wiping everything down really quick before I put my groceries away. And here is the final product. Now I'm going to be doing another part, guys. So this is part 1 of a series for this week since it is zone 1. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned.